If you are looking for downloaded files in your LG G6, for the first we have to get something from the internet, so I'm going to download some pictures. And let's type here, for example, Justin Timberlake. And we are going to take this photo, so click here, click one more time, hold, tap on the download. And right now we are going to find where it is. So let's tap on the management folder and then on the file manager. Click allow. And right now when we enter download, we are going to find these files that we take from the Chrome. So as you can see, we got here Justin Timberlake, and that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.